Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here again, your mom cat, your super mom. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe now and do not forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa bagong video ko. And to continue our second quarter, we are in week 4, and the topic here is solving percent problems. This is the continuation of week 3, which is percentage, rate, and base. Now, here we are going to apply what you have learned in that topic. We are going to apply in problems. Now, let's proceed to the next slide, which is a warm-up activity. Now, here I will be teaching you on how to compute mentally the percentage. Example, if we are getting 10%, give the 10% of the following. 120, the 10% is, correct, which is equal to 12. 10% of 80 is equal to 8. And 10% of 500 is equal to 500. As you can see here, to get the 10% of a certain number, we just move the decimal point one place from right to left. Ito yung decimal point niya. We just move one place. So, makapunta dito, kaya nawala si 0. So, that will become 12. And we have here 80% or 10% of 80, we just move one place. And 10% of 500, we just move one place. So, the answer is 8 and 50. So, example, we are going to find the 10% of 350. What is the 10% of 350? The answer is 35. Correct. And what if we have to get the 10% of 1,250? All right. Correct. The answer is 125. So as well as if we have 43 or 435, what is the 10% of 435? We just move one place, so we get 43.5. So here, if we are going to find the 10% of a number, we just move one place, the decimal point one place from right to left. So now, what if we are to look for the 5% of the given number? So as you can see, yung 5%, kalahati siya ng 10%. Now, let's have the same given. What if we have to get the 5% of 120? So here, kung ang 10% niya ay 12, therefore, the 5% of 120 is 6. So, kalahati ng 12. And then, what if we have to get the 5% of 80? Kung ang 10% niya ay 8, therefore, 5% of it is 4. And what is the 5% of 500? If the 10% is 50, therefore the 5% is, all right, 25. So that's how easy we get the 5% of a certain number. Mahirapan lang kayo kapag decimal na ang ating kukunin. Medyo kailangan na natin mag-compute with that. But here, I am going to teach you na pwede nyo magamit if there are certain number na hindi nyo naman na kailangan isolve. Now, if we have the 5% and the 10% here, therefore we can compute for the 15% of the numbers. And as we all know, 15% is 10% plus 5%. Am I right? So therefore, if we have to get the 15% of 120, what is the answer? Okay, the 15% of 120 is 18. How do we get 18? Kung ang 10% niya ay 12 at ang 5% ay 6, therefore, pag pinagsama yung 10% at 5%, that is 15%, and 12 plus 6 is 18. Tama po ba? Alright. Now, let's proceed to the 15% of 80. Alright? I know you can solve it. Yes. the 15% of 80 is 12. And that is 8 plus 4. How about, what is the 15% of 500? Yes, the answer is 75. 10% is 50 and 5% is 25. Therefore, 15% is 75. As well as if we are to get the 60%, the 60% of this number, madali din. Kasi alam natin ang 60% ay 50% plus 10%. That is equal to 60%. Pag sinabi natin 50%, kalahati, di ba? So now, let's get the 60% of 120. Unahin nating isipin ano bang kalahati ng 120, and that is 60. That is 50% plus 10%. Therefore, the answer is 72. Alright. So, nag-enjoy ba? That is very simple. Practice nyo lang yung ganitong way of how to compute the percentage. Mamamaster nyo siya. Or let's find out the 60% of 80. That is equal to 48. Kalahati ng 80 ay 40 at ang 10% ay 8. So we get 48. Yung iba naman, simply 6 times 8. Yun yung ibang trick na ginagawa nila. And then we have 60% of 500 is kalahati. We have 50% is 250. Plus 50, the answer is 300. That's how easy we compute percentage mentally. We just need to get, if we are going to get the 15%, get the 10% and 5% of each. If we are going to compute for the 60%, we just get the 50% and 10% of each. And if we are going to compute for the 11%, that is 10% plus 1% of a number. Now, let's go with our proper discussion. And this is, now, what can you see? All right. Ito yung gustong-gustong makita talaga ng mga tao, yung announcement of all-out clearance sale. Up to 50% off on selected items. At ito yung pinaka-trend ngayon. Yan, the 12/12, Shopee Mall Sale. Shopee, di ba? Or the Lazada Sale. Ito, maraming nabudol ng 12/12 sale at saka 11/11. Inabangan talaga nila. But, anong nangyayari kapag nagkakaroon ng sale? Nauubos natin yung ipon natin. And bakit ba gustong-gusto ng sale ng mga tao? Yes, because we thought that nakakamura tayo. Totoo naman na nakakamura, but yun nga, hindi natin nakikita na dahil mura yung mga tinda, na yung naipon natin ay nauubos. We get things na hindi natin kailangan naman dahil nakita mo sale. But here, ano yung mga hinabol talaga ng tao is the discount. Ayan. Dahil akala nila nakaka-discount, or totoo, we get discount kapag naka-sale sa mall at saka sa mga online store. So now, or here, we have first the terms that we are going to use in this problem. The first term is the word discount. So when we say discount, a decrease of price in an item. It is referred to the amount to be deducted from the original price. So example, sa mall, actually minsan, di ba tayo mga Filipino, lagi na lang tayo, wala bang tawad? Diyan tayo mahilig yung tawad. Example, in a mall, the price of a certain item is 100 pesos. So dahil tayo ngay Filipino, mahilig tayo sa discount, sabi yung, pwede ba humingi ng tawad? And then the seller tells you, sige, I will give you 20 pesos discount. Yun. yung 20 pesos na ibabawas, that is what we call the discount. This is the amount of price that is deducted from the original price. Ito yung ibinabawas. And then we have the original price, or it is the regular price charge of an item. Kung yung kanina, yung original niya ay 100, that is the original price. And then we have the discount rate, is the percent taken off from the original price. So, dun sa picture kanina, nakita nyo, up to 50% off, that is the discount rate. And it has always the percent symbol. Ito yung merong makikita kayo na percent symbol, 20%, 70%, and 50%. Yun po yung mga discount rate. And we have the sale price. Pag sinabi nating sale price, it is the net price or discounted price. Kung kanina yung original price sa mall ay 100 pesos at tumingin ka ng tawad, tinawaran ka ng 20 pesos or 20 pesos, ang babayaran mo na lang sa kanya ay 80 pesos. And that is the sale price. It is the price where the discount has been deducted, na bawas na. Or here are some of the formula that you will be needed for this problem, for this lesson. We have the discount. Paano ba nakukuha yung discount? That is original price times the discount rate. So, ang discount natin is the same with computing the percentage. Kapareha siya ng percentage. Here, we have D is equal to OP times DR. But make sure before you multiply the original price, the discount rate should be changed from percent to decimal. And then we have the discount rate. To get the discount rate, we have the sale price divided by the original price. Ang discount rate natin is the same with computing the rate. And then change the answer into percent. And then we have the sale price. We get the sale price by original price minus discount. Subtraction lang pagdating sa sale price. Now, and then, let's have example number 1. Solving for discount and sale price. A dress was sold for 500 pesos at 16% discount. How much is the discount, or how much can we save? How much is the selling price? Here. So, let's first analyze the problem. The original price here is 500 pesos. And 16%, this is the original price. And 16% is the discount rate. The question here, the problem here is, how much, magkano daw yung discount or yung ibabawas? Siyempre, yun yung tinatawag natin, magkano yung kanyang matitipid. Yun yung unang tanong. And the second problem here is, how much is the selling price? Magkano yung babayaran niya after ng discount? So first is to get or solve for the discount. Siyempre, kailangan natin i-solve ang discount, di ba? And discount is original price times the discount rate. So we have 500 pesos times 16%. So this will become 500 pesos times 1600. Then let's solve for the 16% of it. Gusto nyo yung katulad kanina, mentally. Okay. So, pag sinabing 16%, kukunin mo yung 10%, 5%, at 1% nitong 500. Ang 10% niya ay 50. Ang 5% niya ay 25. Diba? Kalahati ng 50. At ang 1% niya, mag-move ka ng dalawa. 1, 2 is 5. So we have 50 plus 25 plus 5. The answer is 80. Therefore, the 16% of 500 is 80. I-compute naman siya natin normally. We have 500 pesos times 0.16. Tingnan natin kung parehas nito. We have 0, 0. 6 times 5 is 30. And then times 1, we have 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 0, 8. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. So, tanggal na to. The same answer is 80. Therefore, ayan, we have 16% of 500 is 80. 80 is the discount. Yun yung ibabawas natin. Ito yung masisave niya. 80 pesos will be saved is the amount of money to be saved. Alright. And, yan yung unang sagot doon sa tanong na magkano yung masisave niya. The discount is 80 pesos. Therefore, he can save or she can save 80 pesos. And the next question is to solve for the sale price. Paano nga kinuha yung sale price? That is only subtraction. Original price minus the discount. Ano ba yung original na presyo? 500. At ang ibabawas, yung na-solve mo na 80 pesos. Therefore, 500 minus 80 pesos, the answer is 420 pesos. Therefore, the dress will be paid at 420 pesos. So, mabibili mo na lang siya ng 420 pesos. Siyempre, naka-discount ka. At naka-save ka ng money. Now, let's have another example. A wristwatch was sold for 2,500 pesos with 20% discount. What was the original price of the wristwatch? Dito naman, nabili na niya or naibenta na niya ng 2,500 na nakabawas na yung 20% discount. Ang tinatanong ngayon dito, magkano yung original price nung hindi pa nababawas yung discount? Now, let us solve for the original price. First, one problem here. A wristwatch was sold for 2,500 pesos with 20% discount. What was the original price of the wristwatch? So dito, ang tinatanong yung original price. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan na or yung 2,500 here, the 2,500 here is the sale price. And we have here the rate of or discount rate. Tandaan nyo, kapag sale price, ito yung remember, but pag sale price, hindi siya 20%. Ito ay yung 80% of the original price. Kasi yung 20%, yun yung ibinawas. Siyempre, ang matitira, 80%. So, let's have the solution for this problem. First is to get or solve for the original price. Yun naman talaga ang hinahanap natin. And original price is equal to sale price divided by 100 minus the discount rate. Ito yung kanina sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kaya dito nagkaroon na 100 minus the discount rate kasi yung 2,500, hindi naman siya 20% ng original price. Siya yung natirap nung ibinawas yung 20%. And what that is, 100% minus 20%. Now, we have the original price is equal to SP minus quantity 100% minus DR. And that is 2,500 divided by 100% minus 20%. Or simply, 2,500 minus 80%. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi yung 20% ang ginamit natin na pang-divide. Kasi ito, discount. Eh, yung 2,500, that is 80% of the original price. Now, let's change it into decimal, and that is 2,500 divided by 80%. Sorry, it's division pala. So, let's solve. We have 2,500 divided by 80%. We just move 2 places. 1, 2, 1, 2. So here we have 250 divided by 80 is 3, and 3 times 8 is 240. Subtract. We have 0, 1, bring down 0. 100 divided by 80 is 1, and that is 80. Subtract. 100 minus 80 is 20. Bring down another 0. So we have here 200 divided by 80 is 2, and that is 160. Subtract, we get 40. Bring down another 0. And then we have 400 divided by 80. We know that is equals to 5, and that is 5 times 80 is 400. Subtract, then we get the exact answer. Therefore, 80% of 2,500 is 3,125. Therefore, the original price of the wristwatch is 3,125 pesos. So, dun sa ating sa module nyo, medyo naiba yung solution dito, pero it is the same. It has, we arrive at the same answer. The original price of the wristwatch is 3,125 pesos. Ito yung hindi pa nababawas, yung 20% ng ating, hindi pa siya nababawasan ng discount. So now, let's go with the next part of this topic. In some instances, the seller add a particular amount on the item or goods to be sold from for the profit. From the original price, the amount added is the markup price, and the new amount is called the selling price. Markup and selling price represent both percentage, cost represent the base, and the markup rate represent the rate. Here are the following terms that can help you to understand this particular topic. So dito naman, kanina, kung discount yung pinag-usapan natin, ibinabawas. Dito naman, we have the term markup. Markup. So, ibig sabihin nga, markup, tumaas. And that is the increase in the price. Kung kanina tayo ay natawad, syempre naman, kung bumili ako sa Divisoria ng isang item na nagkakalaga ng 100 pesos at dinala ko siya dito sa Laguna, gusto ko siyang, syempre, as an entrepreneur, kailangan kong magkaroon ng profit. Dadagdagan ko siya ng 10 pesos. And that is the markup. Yun yung pinaka-tubo, yung ipapatong kong presyo, that is the markup. And then, the markup rate, yung 10 pesos is 10% of the original price. Yung markup rate, lagi yung may percent symbol. And cost is the original amount of the item. At yun namang 10 pesos na idinagdag ko sa original, naging 110 pesos. And that is what we call the selling price. Ibebenta ko na siya ng 110 pesos. Yun yung tinatawag nating selling price. Now, para mas maintindihan nyo ito, let's have here the formula that you're going to use. Markup is equal to cost times the markup rate, or M is equal to C times markup rate. MR. And the selling price is equal to cost plus markup. Let's have an example. To have the profit, a businesswoman adds a markup price of 4 pesos and 50 centavos on all the plastic product that bought in Divisoria. What is the markup rate of the plastic bottle if the cost is 50 pesos? What will be the markup or selling price? So dito sinabi dito sa problem na to na bumili sila sa Divisoria. Ang cost niya ay 50 pesos. Or doon kanina, yung cost at original price, parehas lang yon. Ang cost niya ay 50 pesos. At ang gusto niyang maging tubo, profit, sa binili niya ay 4 pesos and 50 centavos. Yan yung idadagdag niya, ipapatong niya para magkaroon siya ng tubo. Ang tinatanong ngayon is, what is the markup rate or rate? Ang tinatanong ay markup rate and what will be the selling price? Ayan. Ano daw ngayon ang selling price? Alright, let's proceed to the solution. We have the markup, that is 4.50, 4 pesos and 50 centavos. Cost is, alright, and cost is 50 pesos and we are looking for the markup rate and selling price. Here, kunin muna natin si markup rate. And markup rate is equal to markup divided by the cost times 100. So we get 4 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 50 pesos times 100. I-divide natin. So we have 4 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 50 pesos. So 4 divided by 50 is 0. Just copy the decimal point. We have 45 divided by 50 is still 0. And then we have 450 divided by 50 is 9. 9 times 50 is 450 and that will lead you to 0.09 or times 100 we get 9%. So therefore, the markup rate of this product is 9%. Yun yung profit niya or yung idadagdag niyang porsyento. And ngayon, we'll compute for the selling price. Kung ang original price niya ay 50 pesos at ang markup niya, ang dadagdag niya ay 4 pesos and 50 centavos. Therefore, the selling price is 54 pesos and 50 centavos. So that is the answer. Now, let's have the application of what we have learned in this lesson, which is the learning task. Complete the following table, write your answer in your notebook. Dito, binago ko ang mga given. So here, as you can see, makakita tayo ng table na incomplete. What we need to do is to complete the table. First, meron tayo sa table na, anong meron? We have the selling price, rate of discount, discount, and then sale price. In number 1, ang wala natin ay discount at sale price. So discount, kung ang selling price niya ay 1,200 at ang discount niya ay 20%, how are we going to compute for this discount? That is, actually it is the original price. Baka nagkamali lang. Original price. Yan, original price. So we have 1,000 or original price times rate of discount or discount rate. So we get 1,200 times 20%. So kanina tinuruan ko kayo ng pagkuha ng 10%, di ba? Ang 20%, dalawang 10%. Ang 10% nito ay 120, therefore the 20% is 240 pesos. Tingnan nga natin kung tama. 1,200 times 0.20 or 0.21. 0.0042 get 1. Therefore, the answer is 240 pesos. And that is the discount. Yun yung ibabawas. Ngayon, ang tanong naman, what is the sale price? Ang sale price natin is original price minus discount. Ang original price natin po ay 1,200 minus 240. And that is equal to 960. Paano na ko yung 960? 1,200 minus 240. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 cannot be. This will become 10. And 12 will become 11. 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus 2 is 9. Therefore, the answer is 960 pesos. So, mabibili mo na lang siya ng 960 pesos. How about number 2? Number 2 is, ang nawawala, discount at sale price pa rin. So, to get the discount of number 2, original price times discount rate, and the original price is 400, and the discount rate is 35%, or we have 400 times 0.35. So, kunin natin yung 35% of 400. That is simply multiplying 0, 0, 5 times 4 is 20. So, we have 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, 4 times 3 is 12. Hindi ko na i-multiply itong natitirang 0. Just add the partial product. We have 0, 0, 0, 4, and 1. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. The answer is 140 pesos. Price is 400. So we'll compute for the sale price of number 2. That is, sale price is equal to original price minus discount, and that is 400 minus 140. Therefore, we get 260 pesos. So, mabibili mo na lang siya ng 260 pesos. Rate of discount or discount rate. Ang nawawala ay discount rate. Pag discount rate ang nawawala, anong gagawin natin? That is discount divided by original price. So, ano ba yung discount natin dito? 525 divided by 3,500. Let's divide. Nasa loob yung 525. Ayusin natin ang sulat. Ang pangit ng sulat nila. $525 divided by 3,500 is 0. Add decimal point, add 0. Now we have 5,250 divided by 500 is 1. So we get 3,500. Subtract, we have 0, 5. 2 minus 5 is cannot be. This will become 12 and this will become 4. So 12 minus 5 is 7 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So add another 0. We have 17,500 divided by 3,500 is 5. We get 0, 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So exactly, we get the answer as 0.5. Gagawin natin siyang percent times 100 or simply move 2 places. We get 15%. Therefore, the answer is 15%. Yan, medyo magulo solution ni ma'am. And now, we'll compute for the sale price. Now, we'll compute for the sale price of number 3. So, if the sale price is equal to original price minus discount. If the original price is 3,500, ang discount ay 525, we subtract 3,500 minus 525. So 0 minus 5 cannot be, this will become 10, and this will become 9, and this will become 4. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 4 minus 5 cannot be, this will become 14, and this will become 2. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 2 minus 0 is 2. Therefore, the sale price of this product is 2,975 pesos. We get 2,975 pesos. Ito na lang yung babayaran mo. Alright, that's it for this table. Then we'll proceed to the next slide. The next slide is the same with table number 1, 2, 3. So we get here the original price, markup rate, markup price, and the selling price. So yung markup price, para lang siya ding percentage or yung kabaliktaran ng discount ito. Now, compute for number 4. If the original price is 3,500 and the markup rate is 20%, so paano natin kukumputin yung markup price? Or yung markup is equal to original price times markup rate, and that is 3,500 times 20%. So, mentally, ang 10% ng 3,500 ay 350. At 20%, dalawang 350, the answer is 700. Tingnan nyo natin. 3,500 times 0.2. That is 0, 0. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. The answer is 700. Yan. Kung 700 yan, yan yung ipapatong natin sa original price. So we have the selling price or selling price is equal to original price plus markup. Ang original price niya ay 3,500. Lalagyan niya ng patong or tubo na 700. The answer is 4,200 pesos. So, ayan po yung kanyang bagong presyo. Now, proceed to number 5. And that is, the original price is 2,350 and the markup rate is 15%. What should be the markup price? Magkano ipapatong? So, we have the markup price is equal to original price times markup rate. Ang original price niya ay 2,350. Ang tubo, porsyento is 15% or 0.15. So, i-shortcut ko na. So, let's compute for the 15% of this original price. We have 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. 17. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. So, yan po yung ating una. Then, multiply it by 1. Kokopyahin mo lang 0, 5, 3, 2. Then, add the partial product. We have 0, 5, 12, 5, 3. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Therefore, the answer is 3,500. 352 pesos and 50 centavos. So that is the answer. Pero meron pa dito, selling price. Ang selling price natin, we have selling price is equal to original price plus markup. Kung original niya ay 2,350 pesos, idadagdag mo yung na-compute kanina, which is 352 pesos and 50 centavos. Dito na natin idagdag. We have 0, 5, 3, 2, 0, 0. Naguguluhan ba? Medyo magulo yung solution ni Ma'am. Erase ko na to. Teka lang. Solve natin. So we have 2,350 pesos, yung original price. At ang idinagdag natin ay 352 pesos and 50 centavos. So we have 0, 5, 2, 5 plus 5 is 10, 3 plus 3 is 6 plus carry 1 is 7, bring down 2. Therefore, the selling price, syempre, tataas siya kasi may markup price. 2,702 pesos and 50 centavos. Ayan. Now, proceed na tayo sa number 6. Number 6, ang nawawala natin sa number 6 ay, yan, markup rate. Kapag rate ang nawawala, that is markup divided by original price. Or, doon sa ating kanina, cost. Itong original price natin, ito yung tinatawag nating cost. Ba sabihin nyo iba? Pares lang kasi sila. So, we have the markup price, 1,330 divided by original price of 5,320. So, medyo mahirap kasi may division. Pag rate talaga ang nawawala, medyo mahirap dahil may division. But let's divide it. 1,330 divided by 5,320. Obviously, this is 0. Kasi hindi naman talaga kaya. Then we add 0. So we have 13,300 divided by 5,320. 2. And that will lead us to 2 times this one. We have 0, 4, 6, and then 10,640. Subtract. 0. 0 minus 4 cannot be. This will become 10 and this will become 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 times 6 cannot be. This will become 12. This will become 2. So 12 minus 6 is 6. And 12 minus 10 is 2. Add another 0. So ayan, makikita na natin. Divide mo. Ako kasi ganito mag-divide. 26 to 5 ito. Ano yung multiply mo sa 5 na malapit sa 26 and that is 5. So we'll lead to 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10, carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1 is 16. Tingnan nyo, eksakto. Subtract zeros. Therefore, the answer is 0.25 times 100 para maging percent, that is 25%. So we have 25%. And then the selling price, medyo madugo ito, itong week 4 natin, medyo mahirap ang pinagsama-samang topic. But still, kung kayo talaga ay very responsible students, mako-complete nyo to. So the selling price is original price plus markup. And that is 5,320 plus 1,330. And that is equal to 6,650 pesos. Alright, nakompleto na natin yung table. These are the answers. Then let's proceed to the next slide. Here in learning test number 2, read the following problems, then solve. Write your answer in your notebook. So, ang gagawin nyo, papaliwanag ko na lang muna. In number 1, a red dress price 550 pesos is marked 15% off. How much will be the discount? So, ito, yung original price niya. At ito, ang discount rate. Ang hinahanap natin dito ay discount. And in number 2, Mr. Edwin Lazo paid 13,599 pesos and 15 centavos for a television set that originally cost 15,999 pesos. What is the rate of discount? So here, what is being asked is the rate of discount. So hinahanap yung may percent na gano'n. At ang original price niya ay ito. 15,999 pesos, and this is the selling price. Ayun na po yung nabawasan ng discount. So, ang hinahanap natin is the rate of discount. And in number 3, a wristwatch is the wristwatch that regularly sells 1,580 pesos is on sale at 30% off. What is the sale price? So, ang hinahanap dito ay sale price. At ito naman, yung tinatawag nating original price. Ito yung discount rate. So, meaning, hahanapin mo muna yung discount para makuha mo si sale price. At ang number 4, the sale tax on a 25,400 pesos Sala set is 3,048 pesos. What is the rate of sale tax? So, ito naman, yung original price niya. At ito naman, yung rate of tax. Pwede rin niya rate of tax. Pag sinabi nating tax, I'm sorry. Ito naman, mali. Ito naman yung tax, hindi siya rate of tax. Ito naman yung tax na sinasabi. Was sold for 2,460 pesos at 18% discount. What was the original price of the doll? Ngayon naman, ito na yung nabawasan, which is the sale price. Ito naman yung rate of discount or discount rate. Ang tinatanong ay original price natin. So here, 1 to 5 muna yung diniscuss ko because it will be continued for my next video. Kung mapapansin nyo, kulang pa siya ng 6 to 10 na problem. So, and I am also going to discuss on my next video all about commission. Alright? So, I think this is for today and hope you have learned. Stay tuned for my next video. Alright. So, after this, mixing shoutout muna ako sa ating mga subscribers na talaga naman nanonood sa video natin. Alright, shoutout muna ako sa ating mga munting subscribers kay Imran Drew Rekirme. Thank you for watching my video. Prince Malabonga, hello sa'yo dyan. Salamat ulit. And kay ito, Regina Lay or Lay Patulo. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you for watching my video tsaka sa suporta nyo sa akin. Thank you po. At kung meron pa akong nalimutan kasi hindi ako nakapag-jot down ng notes. So sana may subscribers talaga si ma'am. Thank you sa inyo ha. Thank you. Keep watching my video. Sana nakakatulong ako sa inyo kahit papaano. And ito po, may pe-present lang ako. Ayan. Puntahan niyo po if you want to know something about OFW, the life of OFW in Milan. Yan po, puntahan niyo po yung channel niya. We have the Jologs channel. Siya po ay based sa Milan. Isa siyang Filipino nasa OFW na nasa Milan. So if you want to watch, if you are interested to know something about OFW life in Milan, panoorin niyo po yung channel niya. Nakakatuwa po yung channel niya. Alright, and I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, please hit the thumbs up like or hit the like button and share it to your friends, classmates, teachers, and mga kamag-anak na nagmo-module which are in grade 6. Alright, thank you for this day. Bye!